Alright, well I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd make one. We're going to put a timing light on this. This is supposed to have a limited coil. It's got a single keyway flywheel, and someone had put an unlimited coil on it. It came in like this, it didn't run. So we're trying to index this single key flywheel so it's right. You could just hunt down a dual key flywheel, but they're getting harder to find, and I don't feel like going through it right now. So we're just gonna make this one work. We're gonna put a timing light on it. I got it set up. We're gonna mark it up for the timing light now. I got other videos how to set up a timing wheel, but we got the timing wheel set up. So we gotta make some marks. Top dead center. We'll come to this side and want this pretty high here. Let's mark this fin, and we'll go with blue for top dead center. Let me find a black one. And we'll mark, let's turn it back 10 degrees, mark 10. And I put that mark the wrong way. Let's redo this. Let's find top dead center again. Let's mark it down here for top dead center. Make sure we got a nice blue fin we can see. All right. Now let's turn it back. Let's start at 15. 15. Let's go with black. Go 20. Let's go with black again. $25. We'll go blue. Do a 30 in black. All right, we'll let this dry and we'll stick it over on the floor, start it up with 2 bolts, pull that off, and throw a timing light on it. I preferably want it 20 to 25 before top dead center firing. I've already done this once, it should be close, but I'm just double checking it before we ship this saw out, because we don't want it detonating, we don't want lack of power, so we do want it close, within a couple degrees there where it's supposed to be. 25 would be ideal. That's where I personally would really like to see it, but if it's within a couple degrees, we're not gonna re-index that flywheel. right, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but we're right between 25 and 30. So I think I'm gonna leave it and call it good as long as we don't get any detonation in the cut. So that's the idea behind it, at least. If you got a timing light that has advance, you don't have to mark that all out. You just gotta mark contents. But that's the gist of it.